Hey guys, Czar back with you here real quick. I'm just going to do this and I'll explain why here in a moment. Right here, break above will be a buy stop order. Buy stop order above that piece right there. This is a configuration that I actually really like taking. Stop below. Here we go. Bear with me for one moment. Make sure my order is set to go in my or buy. I'm going to do mine at the market. Yes, I did. I was a bit late on mine, but there's the entry for the trade idea, guys. I was a tiny bit late on mine. I had to enter at the order. I didn't have time to set a bracket. I just wanted to click record and get you in on this here, so to speak. I mean, obviously this is not live, but it's live enough. Looking for 50 points on this, guys. 50 points. We're long the down. I'll give you the trade idea in a moment. Now, there's a very good chance that this will hit double top here and then reject, but it's worth the risk for me because the momentum is very strong here today. I need this to break, obviously. I need this to break right here. Let me just paint it in here for you so you can see it very, very clearly. This needs to break above, right? But I like this configuration. Big gladiator candle and kind of a resting candle, if you will, and then a break above. That is a bullish look and feel for me. Just checking my own stuff here. Watching now, faithfully and patiently, guys. This is the Dow Long. Bullish daily candle breaking yesterday's high after a 4-day cascading pullback, forming new support and now breaking above. That's a bullish configuration. The Dow is up 453 points or 1.4% today. 140 basis points on the NFP news. Today's NFP Friday, May 5th. It's 10:06. We've been open for 36 minutes here on New York. There could be a lot more action here today. Watching now. Looking for 50 points on this. It's my second trade of the day. I've only had one trade. It's a gold trade just a few minutes ago, as a matter of fact. It was a short. I can just show that to you real quick here. There it is. Right there, 30 points. That was a bearish daily breaking low, breaking support on the 30-minute chart. There's the 30-minute. You see that there? It's even going lower now, of course. I shouldn't say of course. It's going lower now. And here, working on this bullish Dow trade. Second trade of the day. I'm going to manage this one very quickly. It's an interesting time. And this point here, of course, is a little bit of a concern for me. This double rejection. I'll manage this one real quick. Here we go, guys. Looking for 50 points. Just got to blast through that. Stop to 20 points, reducing stop. Breaking through now on the 30-minute. You see that down here? That's what we needed for it to do, right? At least trying to break through. We're not there yet. Target is 698. Patience. Let's drop to the 2-minute. Back to the 1. It's the actual entry there. Copy and paste the marker. This is my Telegram channel when I report my trades, so they can see exactly what I was thinking, where I was entering, and all that good stuff. So they can study it and then potentially learn from it. Not that I'm doing anything spectacular here. I'm certainly not. This is pretty simple stuff, guys. Not when I say simple, simplistic, and that's what I do. I simplify the complex after being in the world. It's my 4th decade now in trading, and 25-year charter market technician, blah, 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 institutional world background. And I simplified things. As you can see, this is very simplistic, but it's not easy. It's still one of the most difficult and challenging professions on the planet, I believe. There are many that require a great deal more intelligence and skill and talent. That's not what I'm talking about. But in terms of managing human nature, it doesn't get any tougher than trading, as far as I'm concerned. And I've challenged people on this for many, many years, and the consensus comes back, yep, it doesn't get much tougher. And this is coming from tens of thousands of people who have been in very, very difficult professions moving into trading and saying the same thing. So it comes from good sources. Guys, stop the break even. I don't mind taking a hit on this, taking a break even. I don't like the way it's rejecting there. So it looks like I will be taking a break even on this. I'm happy to do so. We'll see. I'm just not willing at this time of day, 10, call it 10-11 actually, but when I see this rejection, remember I mentioned that I think this double top here could be a bit of an issue. Also challenging on the daily to get through and stay through yesterday's high. We'll see. Now, under normal circumstances, I would give this trade more room to breathe, but I'm not going to today. I've had a very good week, and on Fridays, I know way too many traders, I've done it myself, give back their profits from the day before and or the entire week, sometimes the entire month on a Friday. Fridays do funny things to people. There's a psychological aspect to it, I believe, and I've done some videos on this discussing why, but there are also some functional reasons and the randomness and whippiness of a Friday, certainly on an NFP Friday. So I'm willing to take this break even here, guys. Second trade of the day. I'm watching the Three Sisters here as well. The Dow is actually the weakest, and that's the one that I'm in, of course. Let me show it to you here very quickly. I think I'm about to get stopped out here. And almost. I'm still in on my platform. But I think this will be it. Watching. This will be my first break even all week, which is nice. And I'm out, guys. Out break even. Thanks for being with me. I did that for the reasons I explained. And thanks for being with me. I'm sure we'll see you again later for some more trades here. But if I don't, have an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for your support. Click that like button if you will. Appreciate it very much. And we will talk soon. Take care.